Hello, my name is Ryan Zakos with Zakos Realty and Design Group here at Sarasota, Florida. Today I wanted to come to you and talk to you about something that we hear often, a question that we hear often. That is, what does a pool cost? So we could actually add some good insight. My mom, for most of her career, has been in the pool industry, pool business, doing sales and designs for local companies here in the Sarasota, Florida area. As for a pool cost, that's what we're going to focus on today. If there's an existing home and an existing pool, in the past we've added about $20,000 of value to that home with that pool addition. Now, because of COVID, Corona, the demand for pool has increased dramatically, so therefore we are adding probably $30,000 to $50,000 now for a pool, depending on its attributes and what goes into that pool, you know, how big it is, screen, patio space, water features, things like that. Now for a new construction cost, you're looking anywhere from 40 to 100 plus, depending on what you want to do with that pool. There's a lot of different things you can do, whether it's the size of the patio, the type of patio. Are you gonna do pavers? Are you gonna do a Flowcrete? How large is the screened-in area are you gonna do? Is your pool gonna be heated? Are you gonna have a gas heater, electric heater? Are you gonna have a in-ground spa that's, you know, attached to the pool? Other water features. Are you gonna do a PebbleTech surface inside the pool? There's a lot of different things that can go into this cost of the pool, as well as even an outdoor kitchen. They'll lump that into the new construction cost of a pool as well. I hope we can add some value and some insight. We'd love to have the opportunity to help you in your pool decision. And if you have any questions, comment below. Do not hesitate to reach out. Look forward to talking to you soon.